Mexico, a beautiful country in the southern part of North America. It welcomes many visitors every year. So the Mexican government authorized the Mexico tourist visa or visitor visa for tourism, business, a simple visit, and cultural events. Hi, this is Behna from the Visa Library. In this video, I will give you information about the Mexico tourist visa, its requirement, Mexican tourist card, and how to apply for a Mexico tourist visa. Okay, no time to waste. Subscribe to our channel to support us. Download the free cheat sheet for Mexico tourist visa from the link in the description. It's helpful along the way. Now let's begin. Let me ask you this. Who needs a Mexico tourist visa? If you want to submit an application for a tourist visa, you need to check the Mexico visa waiver list. Tourists who are from certain countries do not need to receive a tourist visa. They can enter the country with their passport and stay for some time. What are these countries? Visit the Visa Library article on our website to see the list of them. The link is in the description. Remember one point, if you're not from this list of countries, but you have a valid visa or permanent residency card from Schengen area, US, Canada, and Japan, you won't need a tourist visa. There are conditions with this waiver program. 1. The purpose of your visit must be tourism, studies, or business. 2. The duration of your stay doesn't exceed 180 days. 3. You will not receive any remuneration at all from Mexican government. Now let me explain the Mexico tourist card. What the heck is that? Mexico tourist card or FMM is a residence permit. All foreign travelers visiting Mexico by land or air must get an FM tourist card. This card includes personal information. The one thing it has is the duration of your stay in Mexico. Remember that the FMM card only provides temporary residency for tourists, and you may not work with this card. Tourists from countries with visa exemption only need to get the FMM card. However, tourists from other countries must get both the Mexico tourist visa and the FMM card. You can get FMM card in different ways. 1. If you're traveling by land, get it from the plane crew. The cabin crew distributes these cards when the plane is about to land. They do it if the price of the tourist card is included in the cost of the tickets. You can also get the card from the clerks of immigration desks inside the airport. The other way is to get the card at the Mexican embassy before your flight. If you're traveling by sea, you can get the tourist or FMM card at the Mexico port of call. If you are traveling by land, you can get the Mexico tourist or FMM card at the port of entry. If you're applying online, you must print the tourist card and bring it when you travel. Alright then, if you need a Mexico tourist visa, you need to apply for it. But how should you apply for it? First, you must prepare the requirements. Here is a list of supporting documents you need to get a Mexico tourist visa. Number 1 is the application form. An FMM card, passport with blank pages. It must be valid for at least 6 months. A copy of relevant pages of your passport. Passport-sized photo. Reserved round-trip travel tickets. Evidence of having enough funds to pay for your expenses. Submit bank statements related to the last 3 months. Evidence of a hotel booking. If you plan to stay with your friend or family members, you must state their names and address. Employment status documents. Cover letter which explains the reason for your travel, details of the trip like the arrival and departure dates and your accommodation. Evidence of paid Mexico visa fees. A print of the tourist card. Application form. You must download the PDF file of the application form and complete it with your personal information. You can download it from the link in the description. But ask the Mexican embassy whether they have a special application form or not. Remember an essential point. By the reason for the travel and tourist employment status, embassies might ask for further supporting documents. Are you wondering how to apply for tourist visa before getting to the country? Keep watching. First, find the nearest Mexican embassy. You can find the list of Mexican embassies around the world from the link in the description. Schedule a meeting with them. Get to the embassy in person and bring all the gathered supporting documents. Don't forget the application form. You'd better ask the embassy whether they ask further supporting documents or not. Also, ask them how much the visa costs you and how to pay, and entrance rules for entering the embassy building. The procedure might be different for each country. Submit the supporting documents to the visa officials and pay the fee for visa processing. The fee is up to change on your nationality and embassy services. The embassy officials might ask questions about the purpose of your visit as well. Be honest and give true answers. When you're done with the embassy, wait for processing. They'll inform you when the visa is ready. Now you have to post or take your passport to the embassy to get the visa stick on it. When you get the visa stick on your passport, you may enter Mexico. Now, let's answer some FAQs. How long is a Mexico tourist card valid? Mexico tourist cards are issued for 30, 60, 90 and up to a maximum of 180 days based on the decision of the immigration officials at the port of entry. You must leave Mexico before your tourist card expires. Can you extend a Mexico tourist card? If your tourist visa card is issued for less than 180 days, you can go to the immigration officers and extend it to full 180 days from the inside Mexico. However, if your card is issued for 180 days, it cannot be extended. You have to pay a fee for a Mexico tourist card. It costs you $25 to $35 depending on your country. Every child over the age of 2 needs a tourist card. Parents must complete the application form for minors. Now, let me explain Mexico ETA or SEA, the Mexico Electronic Authorization System. It's a travel document. It allows nationals of Ukraine, Russia, and Turkey to travel to Mexico for a period of up to 180 days. They don't have to get a visa from Mexico Embassy in their home country. The entire application process is online and they'll receive the visa in their email address. The link for the website to apply for Mexico SEU or Electronic Travel Authorization is in the description. Complete it with your personal information to get your visa for Mexico. Alright then, this was all you should know about Mexico tourist visa. If you have questions, write them down in the comments section. My team at the Visa Library will answer them. If you want us to make a video about the Mexico visa or a related topic, just tell us in the comments section. The Visa Library team will answer them right away. Before you leave, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell and download the free cheat sheet my team has prepared for Mexico tourist visa. Until the next video, thank you all for watching.